What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to clean the carpet in your car, you might want to try this. So I have some carpet stains in various places, including my trunk, and I thought I'd give this a try. It's a turtle wax carpet and mat cleaner, and it's kind of everything you need, the solution and a scrubber all in one. Now, this scrubber is detachable. I actually thought you might spray it and use the bottle as a handle, and you can do that, but it does come off too. So let's give it a try and see if we can get some stains out. So here's my trunk, and got something stained on here, and it's actually hard now. So I don't expect miracles, and it's the trunk, but you know, this could be very similar to something you have on the mats inside the car, and it's very visible. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take this sucker and shake it up. After that, I actually want to show you, there's this little button here, this tab. So if you press that in, you can pull off this scrubber, which is kind of nice, kind of some hard bristle plastic that you can use to scrub this in. And I'm just going to take the bottle here and spray it all over. Now, it actually says to kind of scrub it in and leave it sit there for 60 seconds, and then you just clean it up with a microfiber cloth. So I'm going to give it a second here to soak in, and then go to town with the brush, see if I can loosen it up a little bit, and then we'll about wipe it away. Now, it's only been about a minute since I sprayed it, scrubbed it in, and we are going to go ahead and wipe it off. My expectations are pretty low just because of how old and crusted in that stain was. And in fact, what you can see here is because it's kind of still lathering and kind of dissipating, it's going to be a little hard to see here, but I tell you what, it smells nice. Kind of smells like a detergent. You can see some of the areas where we have some really crusted in stuff. That's not going away, but it's much more defined now. The areas that I would probably need to rework on are pretty obvious, and some of this other area looks a lot better. So I'm pretty happy with that. You know, like I said, if you have a coffee spill or some light stains, I think this is going to work pretty well, but I'll keep working on this. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at how this worked. If you want to pick it out, put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.